Hello and thank you for joining us on Armistice Day 2013. Around the world there's still some concerns with regard to the fiscal gridlock in America and indeed pressures that are on the Chinese financial system. In Syria there has been a lot of concern that we could have seen a flashback to the old Cold War between America and the Soviet Union. However, we are far more optimistic, and we see that in America there are signs of improvements in housing and indeed their financial system, and also manufacturing, where an American dollar, having dropped, has made manufacturing far more competitive and cost efficient back in the United States. In China, their growth continues still around the 8% level, which is lower by their standards, but certainly well in excess of anything that the West can enjoy. And certainly talking about Europe, it's important to remember that the Spanish, between 1996 and 2006, built more homes than all of France and Germany combined, and totally overspent on its infrastructure, perhaps understanding now why they are so heavily in debt. There's something that we look for out of Europe though, which is commercial van registrations, which is a funny statistic, but we've noticed that to September this year it's actually increased by 6% over the last 12 months, which is a positive sign. And certainly coming back home, we've had a change of government federally, which has been very well received in the business community. There is definitely an increase in optimism across the whole business society, and indeed we're seeing that reflected in the share market, where stocks have been well supported and have rallied quite strongly. We'll be in touch before Christmas. Thanks for joining us. Cheers.